Born around 1789 in what is now the Eastern Cape, Hintsa was the son of King Kauta Gcaleka, the ninth descendant of King Chawe, the founder of the Xhosa kingdom. He grew up during a turbulent time. The Xhosa Wars, also known as the Cape Frontier Wars, were raging as European settlers pushed deeper into Xhosa lands. When his father died in 1804, Hintsa became king of the Gcaleka Xhosa, the paramount Xhosa kingdom. His uncle became regent till 1820, when Hintsa officially became king. During his tenure, he was able to expand Xhosa territory at its peak, stemming from the Mbashe River to the Gamtuos River. His leadership was tested early as he had to navigate wars, diplomacy, and the growing threat of British colonialism. The British saw the Xhosa as an obstacle to their expansion. A series of brutal wars erupted. Hintsa tried to maintain peace but was eventually drawn into the Sixth Xhosa War between 1834 and 1835. When the British demanded cattle as compensation for alleged Xhosa raids, Hintsa refused. This led to a brutal British invasion. Hintsa's forces fought bravely, but the British firepower overcame. In 1835, Hintsa was misled into negotiations under a flag of a truce, but the British, led by Governor Sir Harry Smith, arrested him instead. They demanded he order his people to surrender 50,000 cattle, but Hintsa again refused. What happened next is still debated, but the British intended to use him to retrieve cattle that they claimed had been stolen. It was during this journey that Hintsa attempted his escape. He was subsequently killed near the Ngqabaga River. Hintsa was shot in the leg and in the back by Harry Smith and his men. They then gruesomely mutilated his body, taking his ears as trophies. Hintsa's head was also taken back to Britain as proof of his demise and as a colonial trophy. His death shocked the Xhosa nation and he became a rallying cry for resistance.